Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. Today I will introduce you the topic globes and maps. Yes, we have this title in our first chapter. So what is a map? A map is a two-dimensional representation of a certain region of the world. You maybe use map because you are in fifth class. You have already used map in your early classes, because mainly from third class maps started. So you know about map. We have physical map, political map. These are the two main maps which are used all over the world to present different features of the earth, or to show political division of country, etc. Globe. A globe is a three-dimensional representation of the whole of the world. A globe is a model of the earth. We have already learned in this chapter. It shows whole world and it shows continents, oceans, okay, in smaller size. So what is the difference between a map and globe? Map that shows two-dimensional view of world, and globe that shows three-dimensional view of the world. Distorted views of the world. That means map shows the distorted views of the world. That means that is not clear where that exact location is there. Map only shows the distorted views, that is not clear. Distorted means that it is not shows the actual view, it is not clear. And when we compare map with the globe, globe shows accurate details of the world. That means distance of the place, size of a location, and shape of various locations, various continents, various oceans, various countries. Okay, easy to use and very portable. Map is very easy to use because it is available on net, and we can have an atlas to see the world map or India map or any country map or any state map. Whatever map we need, we can use the we can it is easily available in atlas or on net nowadays. Very portable, that means we can carry map anywhere easily. But when we compare map with globe, globes are not as easy to use and harder to carry around. That means they are not easy. We can't have globe all over the places. That can be only available in geography lab, or particularly the department which needs the globe. It is not easily available in all departments. and harder to carry because it has a heavy weight. We can't carry it everywhere with us. So these are the differences between people use both maps and globes to help them study Earth, but what is the difference between them? That nobody mainly find out, but we can discuss. Maps are flat pictures that show us what places look like from above. That means it shows the picture as taken from bird's eyes. Maps are also called bird's eyes because it looks like that picture has been taken from by flying. But maps can show more than just the earth. Maps can show many different kinds of places because we can see maps of rivers, lakes, continents, uh, mountains, hills, any physical features we can show with the help of map. Maps are very useful. They can show us big places like the whole world, and they can show us idle places like the classroom. We can also show your classroom with the help of the map. We have to show the directions in map. You know about the four direction? Yes, north, south, west, east. Globe. A globe is a sphere and is a model of the earth. You can see the globe. This means that it shows that what the earth looks like from outer space. Globes cannot show both big and small places because small places can't be seen in the globe, and we can only see the one side of the globe, other side is behind the globe, so we can see the only one side of the globe. Globes always show the entire earth, that can't show the small part of the earth. So for seeing the small size or smaller part of the earth, we have to use the map, and for seeing the world as a whole, we can use the globe. That is better for seeing the larger parts of the earth, and for viewing the smallest part of the earth, we can use the maps. But nowadays, we mostly use the maps because maps can be easily available in through the net. We can use it with the help of Google or any site. We can see map of any place easily. Many can be stored at once. Why maps are mainly useful? What is the importance of maps? First importance is many can be stored at once. That means if we want the different types of map of any place, we can have the 5 or 10 maps of any place at once. We can see the picture at once because we can see the smaller pictures, and we can easily save them in our phone, in our laptop, in our desktop. Easier than a globe to carry because they are not heavy. We can have the map in the form of papers or file images, that is very easy to carry. They can't hold the lot of load, and that don't have that much weight. Maps can have special purposes. That means maps are used by different people for different purposes. Like foreigner, they visit our country, they don't know the place, every place. So what they use the maps, so they can reach the different places with the help of map. They know the directions, in which direction they have to go, so that they can reach the proper place. So they have special purposes for visiting any place or to know the new place. Scales allow different levels of details. That means maps have scales that is according to our need. If we need the larger map, we can use the larger scales, and if we need the small map, we can use the small scales. That means difference of distances can be changed according to our need. Different levels of detail. What are the limitations of maps? Maps are very useful, but it has limitations also. Like globe is 3D, but maps are 2D dimensional. That means two-dimensional representation of the earth. 2D will lead to distortion for shapes, distance, and directions. You can see the map and also the globe. Okay, so map and globe. Maps versus globes. First, we can understand about the maps. Maps are flat representations of the curved surface of the earth. You know about the earth, that is spherical in shape, and when we see the surface of the earth, that is curved. Okay. Second, maps can be shown in a book. You have your books in your SST books also. You may have India map, political map, a physical map, and also the world map. So can be easily available in book and also in atlas. Maps can be folded up and used for planning trips. That means mainly the tourists, they use the maps for their trips. They can easily visit any new place with the help of map, because map can be easily fold up and we can carry map anywhere for our planning trips. Maps can show large areas or small areas, because maps can have the larger scales and also the smaller scale according to the distances. Maps are flexible tools that can provide large amounts of information very efficiently. We wanted the more information about any area. If we want the more information about any area, we can use the map anywhere at any place. So that is very flexible tool, and that provides the large amount of information of any area very efficiently. Like where we live, we can find out the exact location of the area with the help of map. But maps are not as accurate as globes, because maps can only show the two dimension, okay, that is 2D, but globe is a three-dimensional view of the earth, so that shows the more accurate picture of the earth. Maps are the flat representation of the curved surface of the earth. Something has to be distorted. That means something has to be hidden. We can't show the earth on one map. So everything can't be shown in map at one place. So some parts are hidden, but in globe we can see the whole world at once at one place. Now about the globes. Globes are most accurate to represent the whole world. They are the scale model of the earth that shows actual shapes, relative sizes, and locations of the land masses and bodies of water. Globes have accurate information about distances and directions between 2 points. Globes are very small representation of the earth because they are smaller in size. The whole world can be shown with the help of the globe. Not much detail because everything is shown in one globe, so not much in detail. Difficult to carry around because it is very heavy. The globe is very heavy, we can't carry it everywhere with ourselves. You can look at only one half of a globe at one time because the other part is behind the globe. So the globes also have some advantages over maps, and maps also have some advantages over globes. So both are useful, but it's depend on our purpose what we exactly want. But nowadays mostly the maps are available online and we can mainly use the map for our different purposes. So that's why maps are mainly used nowadays.